My name is Brandy Butler. I work in the shipping department and I've been here for 2 years. I love my job. I love coming to work and seeing the people I work with. I told my husband when I first started here, I got in the best department in this plant. I love the department I work in. Everybody's a team. If one person gets ahead, they'll go help another person, and I really, really enjoy what I do. I have the 2 best supervisors in the world. I have worked before where I've had to leave people that just weren't so nice. I'd get up, I'd go to work, and I'd just be like, oh, another day at work. But I get excited to come to work here. I'm like, oh, I get to go to work, you know, I don't get bummed out. Jess, he reminds me of my grandfather. He is quiet, soft-spoken. He knows how to talk to people. He knows how to handle situations. He always seems to have the right words to say. He is going to retire in October, and I will be taking his job. I got big shoes to fill. The way he talks to people, it inspires me to want to be more like him when I get into that role. I'm excited. I can't believe they chose me. I'm here every day. I work hard and I take pride in what I do, and it's paying off. People are noticing, and it makes you feel good when people notice how hard you work.